Welcome all of you to our YouTube channel Study Fund Khorampur. Today we shall learn to read English book lesson 7. This video is second part. Now start reading. Today whatever is Indian, whether it be an idea, a word, a form of art, a political institution or a social custom is a blend of many different strands and elements. In spite of this derivation from many sources and the consequent variety of forms and types, we find a remarkable unity of spirit in forming India, Indian culture throughout the ages. In fact, it is the underlying unity which is one of the most remarkable features of Indian culture. In volume and duration, no civilization, with the possible exception of the Chinese, can bear comparison with the civilization of India. The area of the land, the number of the people, the variety of the races, and the length of the India's history are hardly repeated elsewhere. The vitality of Indian culture is equally amazing. In spite of a thousand vicissitude, it has survived to the modern day. This has been possible only on account of a sense of Indians, Indianness which imposed unity on all diversity and wove into one fabric fabric of national life. The many strands of different texture, color and quality which have entered here, the ancient world threw of fine flowers of civilization in many lands with the exception of India and China. They are all dead and gone. It is only in India and to some extent in China that the old civilization and culture have grown and changed, but never grown or changed at the expense of an underlying unity. This has been possible only through the capacity of readjustment exhibited by the Indian society.